This morning, I woke up to 3 messages from my Elite Career Mentor one-on-one program members who landed shoulder taps from abroad. A shoulder tap is when someone approaches you to apply for a job or to be considered for a position without you having applied online. Now, this is wonderful. I am so happy for them. But here is what's even better. They will have no competitors. They will be the only candidates who are considered for these roles, putting them in the best bargaining position ever because they have no competition. So what have they done differently? They never applied for jobs online. Instead, we found more than 100 employers for each of them. They are still in their old country. They've never traveled to their destination country. And all we did was put their profile in front of these ideal employers and made sure that that profile was a value profile so that they are the best of the best. And the rest is history. They got approached. So do you want to be one of these people? Here is where to start. Go to my website, elitecareermentor.com. Right at the top of the page, there is a button where you can book a call with me. What we will do is go through your situation, analyze your situation, your preferences, your goals, and your challenges, and then I'll tell you what you need to do to be in the same situation to get shoulder taps like this.